Hello YouTubers, this is my attempt at a mini CNC plotter made from two old computer DVD drive stepper motors. I followed directions of Zahid Ahmed at the address below on YouTube and used his Arduino sketch, gctrl.pde and gcode files that he linked from his video page. This page at Instructables, the addresses below, also helped a lot. I looked at many other CNC contributors before building to better understand the stepper connections, testing, drivers, etc. The pen mechanism is very primitive, but it shows that my CNC gizmo works. The hardware used is an Arduino Mega 2560 and an L293D stepper motor control hat and a cheap servo. I got a pair of L293D hats for about $10 on Amazon. It's cheaper from China, but I couldn't wait months for delivery. Software used is Arduino 1.8 and Processing 3 G-code sender. I also tried the other G-code sender UGS, but that did not work with the Mega 2560. The sequence is: connect CNC plotter and power to the L293 hat. Plug in Arduino board to PC. Turn on power to L293 hat. I use separate 5V power. Open Arduino and load cnccode.ino code. Upload to Mega. Open Processing Tree and load gctrl.pde code. Press Run button in Processing Tree to connect to L293 hat. In the Processing Tree comes window, press P to ID the port used by Arduino. Manually set your stepper's sled to the 0 position. Press 0 in the Processing comes window to set the 0 of the L293 controller. Press G to load the G-code file. If everything is okay, printing will start. I use Inkscape 1.0 for making G-code files, but the resultant G-code needed a lot of editing to work with this plotter. There are other options for converting drawings to G-code, but they seem to be more complicated than Inkscape. Next step is to build a bigger machine using printer steppers for mechanical or laser milling. Happy making. Thanks for watching.